Hello and welcome to Dataczar. Today I'm going to show you how to change the layout of a page on your website at connect.dataczar.com. So let's go to dataczar.com. We're going to click Login. And we're already logged in. That takes us to Dashboard on the main menu. To work on your website, to change the layout of a page on your website, click on the Website button. And these are all the editing tools up here, but we're basically going to work with pages today. And let's look at our AAA Outdoor Scenes website. So here on the home page, this is going to be the featured image above the title and subtitle with and without posts. And then you have the featured image below the title and subtitle with and without posts. And then we're going to show you where we remove the featured image with and without posts. And then we're going to show you one last thing, the slider image gallery with the featured image with and without posts. But let's look at our blog page. And this is a blog post that we just created. And it's the post is how to change the layout of a page on your website. And a couple reasons: you prefer a more complex looking page, or you prefer a simple looking page, or you just want to customize or personalize the look and or feel of a page on your website. So these are the easy steps right here. We're going to go through these. These are the different options that we just went over that we're going to go through quickly. And then also for adding the slider image gallery, make sure you go to the written instructions and click on this slider image gallery. It'll take you to the tutorial on that. And then to find these written instructions, go to our help site at help.dataczar.com, click on Website Help. So let's go back to the home page. And again, currently, we have the featured image above our title and subtitle, and then that's with the post. So that's what that page looks like there. Now let's click on Pages, and we're going to edit our home index page. And this time, we're going to uncheck Posts, click Update, tab back over. We're going to refresh the screen. And this time, we have the, Control F5. Let's refresh again. Okay, this time we have it without the post. So you can see how it makes a big difference with or without the post. It makes a huge difference. Let's tab back over, go back to Pages. Again, we're going to edit the home index page. And this time, we're going to remove the featured image from here. And we're going to go down here, and we're going to add it within the editing screen. So we're just going to do Shift-Enter for a single space. Click the Insert Edit Image icon. Click the up arrow. We're going to go to My Images and find the image. And I'm going to go through this pretty quickly, but it's going to be repetitive, so you ought to be able to catch on pretty quick. We're going to use this here. Click OK. And now we move the featured image from above the title to below the title. And we're going to include posts. We're going to click Update. And we're going to tab over. We're going to refresh. And you can see now that the featured image is below the title with the posts. Tab back over. And this time, we're going to exclude the posts. Click Update. Tab back over. We're going to refresh the screen. And it's the same thing. The featured image is below the title and subtitle. And this time, it's not refreshing like I want it to. One more time. And one more time. There it goes. Okay, so this time, it's without the post. And by the way, if you make an adjustment and you notice that the changes aren't showing, just refresh your screen and it'll show. It just means that something's cached. So that time we moved the featured image below the title and subtitle without the posts. We'll tab back over, Pages, Home Index. We're going to edit this page again. And this time, we're actually going to remove the featured image. So we'll just delete that out. And Shift-Enter. And we're going to check Include Posts again. We're going to click Update. Tab back over. And we're going to refresh the screen. And there it is, the featured without a featured image with the posts. And tab back over. This time we're going to remove the posts. Click Update. We're going to tab back over. and refresh the screen. And there it is. So that's without a featured image, without the post. That's the most simple look that you're going to get right there. And then one more. Tab back over. This time, I'm going to add a gallery section. And I already added these earlier. Make sure you look at the written instructions on how to add this slider image gallery. So we're going to go ahead and check that. We pre-did this to save some time. And we're going to go ahead and add the featured image back in. So click on Choose Featured Image, My Images. I'm going to find our featured image. We're going to use that. We're going to include the post. So basically we're doing everything. And we're going to click Update. And then we're going to tab back over. We're going to refresh the home page one more time. We're going to go from something very simple to something very complex. So it has everything on there. It has the featured image above the title and subtitle. It has the slider image gallery, and then it has the posts. And these are the different views that we just went over. So that's with the featured image above this title and subtitle. This is below the subtitle and title with the post. Below the subtitle and title without the post. That is no featured image with the post. This is no featured image without the post. And then, if you want to add the slider image gallery into the mix, you can do that with all of the different variations that we just showed you. So there are a lot of different options on changing the look of the layout of your website, and there are a lot of different options to adjusting the layout of a page on your website, and that's what this tutorial video is all about. And make sure that you go visit our help site and click on the Help Center right here. And that takes you to help.dataczar.com. And if you click on Website Help, this is where you're going to find this tutorial video. It'll be in this section somewhere. So let's go ahead and tab back over. Let's go back to Dashboard. And that's it. That's how to change the layout of a page on your website with Dataczar Connect.